Hello friends, here we are back again. Beautiful day. Today we're working on Case 580K 4-wheel drive extend-a-hoe. It's got all the goodies you want, but this one might have been abused. Leaks a little out the back, missing some glass. Lights do work. Well, some of them, the ones that are there, work, believe it or not. Hydraulics are really strong. Hydraulics are good and strong, but I was coming up this incline right here. No, not even a major incline, and it was all she could do. I mean, holy cow. I had it in first gear, I had it in 2-wheel drive, and she was just barreling black smoke. You know, I know it's getting plenty of fuel, but I haven't checked blow by. I mean, at least pull the cap off the oil. I guess let's try that real quick. I'm like, man, I'm gonna pump up these tires a little bit more just to help make it roll. We were struggling, so maybe you guys can help me, point me in the right direction, give me some of your thoughts, input. No, we picked it up fairly cheap, fairly inexpensive for what they're going for right now. I mean, tires, they got tread, but they're really cracked. See all those cracks? So I mean, I guess we could throw a tube in it if you got serious about it and wanted to get what you could. Let's see if she'll fire up and you guys can get a taste. Okay, starts good. Starts really good. At idle, we got nothing. You know, nothing coming out. Just, you know, burning clean, I guess we could call it. Let's pop this hood and take a look-see. Cummins. Well, that's probably why we're not on top of our exhaust. Anyway, Cummins 4-cylinder, non-turbo. Yeah, we got a couple leaks, don't we? Yep, right out the injection pump. Probably that seal right up there, right where that, you know, where it runs the throttle. Okay. So, injection pump's leaking. Let's check this out, see what we're looking at here. Rolling oil everywhere. Not bad. Other than we're all getting covered in oil. At least it's not like burning white, right? New meaning. Needs filters. Man. New meaning of the oil bath, right? Let's hop up in this old girl. Take a look-see. Okay. Quite a few hours. Gauges, well, that one's working. That one's working. Okay, well, we're gonna check out this blow by. I'll show you kind of what. Man, you can barely see it when it's coming out like that. When it's coming out the pipe, you can see it really good. Maybe I'll go put that hood down and do it again that way, but I don't know. It barely made it up the hill. Granted, might need filters and stuff. Well, looks like I gotta play with this door for a minute. I might be stuck. Gotta love these latches. Now I did check like all the fluid levels are good. These are always kind of tricky, which one goes first and how to, you know, but just for video's sake, I'm gonna try to move this thing for you and show you. Oh, I love this tool. Milwaukee. Tire says 22 PSI. Anyway, like I said, hydraulics work really good. Fairly fast and responsive. probably gonna have to address that diesel, that injection pump leak pretty quick. I'll be leaking diesel everywhere. Okay, let's raise these two up, make sure we're not rolling backwards. I mean, see, we're at idle. I got them both coming up, so they work plenty good. Oh, there you go. Pull the wrong lever. Starts good. Idle's good. Well, maybe it's not as bad as I thought it was, but she struggles, man. See that? It's on flat ground. Anyway, I gotta get some work done in here and go dig out for a flower bed for the wife. But let me know your thoughts on that. Thanks guys, see ya.